creating a folder in your home screens is one of the easiest ways to organize your apps, especially if you already have a lot of them installed on your iPhone SE3. It's easy to create a folder on an iPhone, and that's what we will be showing you today, to better organize your apps for a less cluttered home screen. But before we move on, please like and share our video so we can help other users as well. Now going back to our topic, here's how you create a folder on your iPhone. To begin, go to the home screen where you can find the apps you want to place inside a folder. Touch and hold an empty area on the screen until the app icons start to jiggle. When the icons are jiggling, it allows you to reposition the icons. But since we're going to create a folder, just touch and drag any of the icons on top of another and release it. This will immediately place both icons inside a folder. However, if you drag an icon over another icon and hold it for a couple of seconds, you'll see that a new folder will be created and opened. In this mode, you can rename the folder to any category you like. Once the folder is created, you can place any app you want in it. If you wish to delete a folder, however, just hold the home screen again until the icons start to jiggle. Open the folder by tapping on it, and then drag all the icons out of the folder. When there's no more apps left in the folder, it will automatically be deleted. Once you've done everything you want to do, tap anywhere on the screen, and you may now continue using your iPhone. We hope that this guide can be helpful. You may subscribe to our channel or click one of our videos to continue watching. Have a great day.